Alright guys, today we are working on that 2004 Mini Cooper S manual transmission. The car has been towed to our shop. You put it in the gear, first gear, second gear, and it doesn't do anything. Then you release the clutch. So in this case, 90%, the clutch plate is gone. As you see, we already did the job. The transmission is out. Look, the pressure plate is burned out. Look at that. Clutch plate, see, it's gone. So this is about 12-hour job. We need to remove the radiator, the radiator supporter, condenser, everything, and hold on the engine and take off the transmission. We already got the clutch kit. We're gonna replace the clutch bearing. We're gonna replace the clutch bearing. We're gonna replace the pressure plate, the clutch, and pretty much everything. This is about that. Transmission, manual transmission clutch kit replacement. Look what did it. What's that? See? These are all the stuff coming out of the clutch plate, and it's burned out. We already have the new one, the new kit right here. It came with everything, the pressure plate, the clutch plate, the bearing, and everything. Alright guys, this is the procedure for the clutch kit replacement on 2004 Mini Cooper S. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.